Most people use InboxDollars the wrong way. They spend hours clicking random offers and end up making almost nothing. Here's the truth no one tells you. The people earning the most points on InboxDollars in 2026 are not working harder. They are working smarter. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to get more InboxDollars points, which tasks actually pay well, and the biggest mistakes that quietly waste your time. And stick around because in a minute, I'll show you one simple trick that can double your earnings without spending extra hours on the app. First, let's get straight to the biggest moneymaker: high-paying offers. This is where most beginners fail. Jake signs up for random low-value surveys paying a few cents. Meanwhile, Alex completes one mobile game offer worth $20 or more. Same app, totally different results. The best strategy in 2026 is focusing on 3 categories: mobile game offers, free trial offers, and cashback shopping deals. These usually pay far more than daily surveys. But here's the problem. Many people rush through offers and miss the tracking requirements. If an offer says, reach level 20 in 7 days, follow it exactly. Even skipping one step can stop the points from tracking. Now here's where it gets interesting. Surveys can still work if you choose carefully. Do not accept every survey. Instead, target shorter surveys with better payout ratios. For example, a 5-minute survey paying 50 cents is usually better than a 30-minute survey paying $1. Another smart move is enabling email bonuses and daily streak rewards. John ignored these for months and lost easy points every week. InboxDollars often gives small bonus rewards just for logging in consistently or opening promotional emails. These bonuses stack faster than most people expect. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest passive method. But first, clear your cache and disable ad blockers when completing offers. This sounds small, but tracking issues are one of the biggest reasons users miss rewards. If points do not appear, always take screenshots before starting offers. That proof can help support credit your account later. Now for the easiest strategy: referral bonuses. This is the closest thing to passive income on InboxDollars. If you invite friends, family, or even share your referral link online, you can earn a percentage of their activity. One active referral can outperform dozens of small surveys. But here's the catch. Do not spam links everywhere. Instead, show people exactly how you personally use the app. Real recommendations convert much better. Finally, avoid one major mistake. Never chase every offer at once. Focus on a few high-paying tasks and complete them fully. That is how consistent users maximize earnings in 2026. So here's the bottom line. The fastest way to earn more InboxDollars points is choosing high-value offers, completing tracking steps carefully, using referrals, and avoiding low-paying time traps. Do that consistently, and your earnings can improve fast. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your best InboxDollars strategy for 2026.